International Ministry, headed by Pastor Art Ocampo. May we call on Pastor Art Ocampo and the wife. And the wife of Pastor Art Ocampo. Okay. The wife is not around. Okay. Next, Shekinah Global Harvest Church, headed by Pastor Celestino Villasis.
Yung wife na lang, wife.
Next,
Yung
Tent of the Lord's Presence International Ministry, headed by Pastor Efren Legaspi.
Shekinah Global Harvest Ministry, headed by Pastor Villasis with Sister Reste. Okay? Palakpakan po natin. And the next one is
Tent of the Lord's Presence International Ministry, headed by Pastor Efren Legaspi. Next, we have Second Life Christian Community Church International, headed by Pastor Boy Sala. And me pala, I am the wife of Pastor Boy. Next, we have the Adonai Christian Fellowship, headed by Pastor Rudy Zapalio. Amen. Pastor, with your wife, Sister Aida.
Yung bata. Christian.
Next, we have the Christ Son of the Living God Apostolic Ministry International, headed by Pastor Adeline Uy and Pastor Larry Concepcion.